how satisfying. Hey everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Today and tomorrow I'm gonna be doing a vlog. Yesterday was Foxy's 6 months half birthday kind of thing, and since he's a corona baby, we didn't get a chance to celebrate his birth or even like celebrate the fact that we moved into a new house, so we never got a chance to invite our family over. We are celebrating his half birthday tomorrow, which is the 11th, just to have some sort of sweet memory if the weather will allow it. Right now it's like maybe gonna be a storm tomorrow. So this video is basically all about the prep of the party and obviously footage of the party itself. The theme of this party is safari. It's also his bedroom theme, so it's just going along with it. I'm kind of obsessed with this theme, so obviously I'm gonna make a party out of it. Hopefully it will be inspiring for some of you who are planning your son's or daughter's birthday, just to get some inspiration or ideas, or just for pure entertainment. I'm here for that. Okay, so we've got Foxy here. He will stay here while I'll sort this area out. So basically, we're gonna have everything set up here. This is our dining room. But before I'm gonna get into that, I wanna, first of all, get everything down in the kitchen. I got the last grocery delivery delivered a few minutes ago, so I'm gonna sort everything out here and start making the cake. I am gonna prep everything as if we're gonna do it indoors, and if we're gonna be lucky, we're just gonna relocate everything outside. You wanna say hello to the camera? Let's get this party going and get the cake in the oven. What do you say? Are you gonna be my company? Let's get started. By the way, I arranged the nook area, just the cabinets. We don't have the doors yet, they're not done, but how satisfying is this, huh? I'm gonna take everything that I need now to the kitchen and start working on the cake. Okay, so I have everything that I need here for the cake. It's gonna be a gluten-free, dairy-free cake because we have gluten-free people like myself and dairy-free. The first batch is in the oven, so I'm going to wait for that to be done. But while I do that, I'm going to do other things. Okay, so we have animals, we have cake stands, another plate silverware, we have some greenery, focus, we have some greenery here, we have the pom-poms, some animals, hot air balloon kind of thing that I need to prepare right now. Basically, I just found these at my Kohl's for like $6. So I'm gonna assemble these and attach them to these, which are basically like small boxes. I'm gonna try to make it work as a hot air balloon. I'm gonna put it on the wall, I think, hanging right here. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna figure it out later tonight. And yeah, that's pretty much what we have. Not so much, we're taking it easy. And yeah, I'm gonna start working on the hats. Basically, I saw on Pinterest these small party hats with these like small pom-poms that you put either on animals or dinosaurs or dogs or whatever your party theme is, and it just basically makes it more of a party kind of vibe. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and Leroy is asleep with Fox. I'm gonna try to keep it quiet, and I'm gonna start working on the hats and have more things done for tomorrow. So let's get started. happened. That's why it cost $6 for the entire pack. It's
Mes yeux fermés, première étoile, couché sous la lune, es-tu là?
oh my god, the first batch is out of the oven and I think we have a success. Let's see. Oh my god, so good. Perfect. Perfect. This little guy just woke up from his last nap of the day, so soon we will prepare the nighttime routine and eat together and all that. So I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to make more today. I did finish making all the cakes. Let me show you. So 2 batches are out of the oven. They look so good, so fluffy. I'm so excited to make the cake tomorrow. I'm gonna wrap them up in plastic wrap and tomorrow I'm gonna assemble the cake. I'm so excited. It's my favorite part of every birthday that I'm in charge of the cake, so this is so much fun. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you up later on or tomorrow morning, we'll see. Good morning. Today was supposed to be the birthday. I'm not saying was as if it's not gonna happen. We are gonna have our party. However, it was all started because we wanted a summer party, something with pool for the kids and everything. And today is just the most miserable day. It's been raining all morning. It's gonna continue raining throughout the day. So instead of doing it outside, we have to do it indoors. I'm gonna make it work. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna have all the family over. Good, positive thoughts. I think I'm gonna give myself like 30 to 45 minutes working on the decorations. After that, I'm gonna work on the cake and then I'm gonna prepare the food. I'm going to show you now where I'm at and we'll continue from there. So I have all these set up to go and I was able to finish all the hats. Kind of was able to, tape them, glue them. Some of them fell, but I'm gonna make it work when I'm gonna prepare the table. So I'm gonna not deal with it now. The only thing I want to do now is basically work on these hot air balloons. I use our lamp as a hanger for now just to see how it looks like. I don't know how I feel about it. The only string that I have is this one. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna do it really chill. The whole idea is just to have like a vibe of a hot air balloon. So it's 1:17. Fox is finally asleep. I've been trying to put him down for an hour. I was able to just make 5 of these like semi hot air balloons kind of thing. They don't look as nice as I'd hoped, but at least they serve the purpose. I just hang them here for now until you all will be back and help me to figure out where will be best to put them. But I don't really hate them there. I only made 5, so I feel like they can stay there potentially. And I also realized that I can't move the table because the lamp is too low, so people will walk into it. So I just have to prepare the table and just leave the setup of the dining room the way that it is. So right now I'm just gonna basically clean everything, start setting everything up, prepare the cake, and by then Leo will be back. So we will continue prepping the food and hopefully everything will be done in less than 3 hours. Wish me luck. Okay, so this will be the arrangement. People come over from here or from the living room. So that will be the view. I'm going to put the cake on the buffet over there, and I'm just going to put all the animals here and start putting the food. And so yeah, I think I'm going to close it up here and show you how it ended up looking, because I'm very stressed. I have only an hour and I have everything to get done. So I'll see you in an hour when everything will be ready.